UPapa uchazwe njengomholi obambe iqhaza elikhulu eqinisekiseni ukuthula nobuntu emhlabeni jikelele noma engesabi ukuzokalisa imbono yakhe. Naphezu kokugxekwa abekuthola kepha akazaguquke kulokho akholelwa kukho.
Pope Francis frequently spoke of the needs of the marginalized, those who he termed were at the peripheries of society. His call was to recognize the humanity of each and every person, and not to judge or discriminate against others because of their appearances or because of the struggles that they might be going through.
Amaqembu ombusazwe abethamele inkonzo achaza uPapa njengomholo bezinikele emphakathini.
Umuntu ebethanda ukumela abantu esingathi impula zikaLjaca, abantu abangathatha entweni, ubethethe inyani kwinkokheli, ngumuntu ebethanda ukuthi aququmbele imicimbi efana nokuthi kulwiswe udlame, kube nokuthula ehlabathini.
Ukusebenzela abantu inkonzo yobuntu ayiphilileke uPapa kuyo yonke iminyaka yakhe nangaphambi kokuba aze anyukele kulomsebenzi wobuPapa ngo-2013. Umzekelo njalo ke muhle ngoba uyasikhumbuza ukuthi uma sithunyiwe emhlabeni siyisebenzi zabantu.
Le nkonzo yesikhumbuzo ingeyokuqala enkulu kubanjwe eNingizimu Afrika ukubungaza impilo kaPapa selokhu edlule emhlabeni ngomsombuluko ekseni. UPapa uzobekwa endlini yakhe ukugcina ngomgqibelo.